Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. So in today's video we'll be doing the exercises on pronouns. So without any further ado, let us get started. Look at the question number 3. Look at the family and complete the sentences with his, her or their. So it is completely denoting that it belongs to possessive pronoun which shows ownership and possession. So let us see this family tree where there are two people known as Liz and Philip. So they are a couple who has three children. That's George, Bill, and Anne. Now George and Bill are unmarried, but Anne is married, and Anne is married to Ted. So Anne and Ted, you know, have two children. That's Diana and Robert. So on the basis of the information that is given, you need to fill in the blanks with correct possessive pronoun. So let's get started. I saw Liz with her husband Philip. Liz is Philip's husband. I saw Anne and Ted with. So Anne and Ted have two children. So for two children we'll use their. Okay, it's with their children. I saw Ted with. So I saw Ted with dash wife Anne. Single person and a possession of a male, that is his. So I saw Ted with his wife Anne. I saw George with the dash brother Bill. So it's again a male, so his brother Bill. I saw Anne with dash brother Bill. So I saw Anne. Anne is a female. A possession of the female is her. So her brother Bill. I saw Liz and Philip with dash son Bill. So I saw whom? I saw Liz and Philip with his son Bill. Okay, now here the object is talking about just one son, that's Bill, and not about George. So we'll use his. I saw Anne with dash parents. So parents, I saw Anne with her parents. I saw Diana and Robert with. I saw Diana and Robert are the children of Anne and Todd. So I saw Diana and Robert with their parents. So in this exercise you need to put my, our, your, his, her, their, etc. Do you like dash job? Do you like your job? Something that is belonging to you, the possession of you, your. I know Mr. Watson, but I don't know dash wife. I know Mr. Watson, but I don't know his wife, a possession of a male. Mr. and Mrs. Baker live in London. Dash son lives in Australia. So their son live in Australia, the possession of the couple there. We are going to have a party. We are going to invite all our friends. Anne is going out with dash friends this evening. So Anne, possession of Anne, which is a female, her. So Anne is going out with her friends this evening. I like tennis. It's dash favorite sport. So I like tennis. It's my favorite sport, my possession. Is that dash car? No, I haven't got a car. So I'm asking the for example, I'm asking person B that is that your car, and the person replied, no, I haven't got a car. I want to phone Anne. Do you know dash phone number? Do you know her phone number? Do you think most people are happy? Do you think most people are happy in dash jobs? So in their job, when we are talking about majority of people, plural subjects, when we are talking about, I am going to wash dash hair before I got. So I am going to wash my hairs. This is a beautiful tree. Dash leaves are beautiful in color. Its leaves, because a possession of a non-living thing we use its, and for animal also we use it and its. It is a subject and it's possessive noun that we make. John has a brother and a sister. So John is a male. So his brother is 25 and his sister is 21. Question number 2, you need to put in myself, yourself, ourselves, or me, you, us in the sentences. It depends upon the sentences that demands. Julia had a great holiday. She enjoyed herself. When you are using a reflexive pronoun, when the action done by the subject is eventually not received by any object, but anyhow subject is only influencing it, then we use reflexive pronoun, and we make reflexive pronoun by adding self, myself, yourself. It's not my fault, you can't blame. Okay, it's not my fault. So the person is transferring the work from subject to object, so you can't blame me, you are using a possessive pronoun. What I did was very wrong, I'm ashamed of. So I'm something that I've done is reflecting upon my ethics, so I'm ashamed of myself. We've got a problem, I hope we've got a problem, I hope you can help. We can say us, because a group of people is having a problem. Can I take another biscuit? Of course, help yourself. Because there's a difference. There's yourselves are also used and yourself is also used. For the possession of one, you for the work reflected upon one person, you use yourself. But for when you are using you for many people, as teacher says, what are you all doing? So you yourselves, so यहाँ पर yourself use नहीं आएगा, yourself use आएगा. Okay, take some money with dash in case you need. So take some money with the you in case you need. Don't worry about Tom and me, we can look after ourselves. I gave them a key to our house so that they could let. Okay, I gave them a key to our house so that they could let themselves in. Them they का हो जाएगा themselves in. When they came to visit us, they always bring their dog with them. So in this exercise, you need to fill in the blanks with the correct pronouns from the help box. The team showered and changed after Dash had finished the morning practice. So after they had finished, because team is a consists of members, so it's plural in reference. So the answer is they. The jury disagreed with the verdict. The group of judges has disagreed with the decision, and that particular decision made the point. So for that decision you will use it and not they, and it made the point of disagreement quite clear. The flock of pigeons saw the prowling cat and Dash flew away in different directions. So the flock of pigeons saw a cat, and for animals you use it, and it flew away in different directions. His family are always fighting among. So action is done by the subject reflected upon the subject, whether it is singular or plural. So his family is plural, so they are fighting among themselves. The authorities refunded the money to. Okay, so the authorities has refunded means paid it back to her, not herself, because the action is received by another person. So the answer is her. The police, it is not police, it's police. The police questioned about the witness whether Dash had seen the thief running away. So the police questioned the witnesses. Witness होता है गवाह. तो एक witness जिसने कोई चीज़ करते हुए देखी और पुलिस को रिपोर्ट की, तो एक witness सिंगल पर्सन होता है, प्लूरल होता है witnesses. So witnesses whether they had seen. Do you owe Dash any money? So do you owe him any money? His is possessive pronoun, him, object we have to use. Okay, the key is jammed in the lock. Can someone help me please? Few can solve this problem as well as she has, because with you right have, you have. So the answer is she. Dash is both the principal and a teacher at a college. So he is both the principal and a teacher, because one person is carrying the identity of the both, that is the principal and the teacher. Does Dash know that Dash was in the library? Does she know that I was in the library? Everyone was looking into the report cards Dash had just received. So everyone was looking into the report card they had just received. I remember that Dash bought some clothes from Dash. So I remember that they bought the clothes from us. She represented the books to Kanika and me. My brother and Dash bought some apples for. So my brother and I bought some apples for ourselves.